Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a new billboard with a little minifigure on top. So let's get to taking this apart so I can show you how to build it. Alright, now that we've taken apart all the pieces, I'll show you how to build it. But first, I need to show you what pieces you'll need to build it. So, we have two 2x8s, one smooth 2x6 by 1x2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 2x2s, and one 2x4, and one minifigure. So now let's get to building. So first, you'll need your 2x4 at the bottom with two 2x2s. And put one 2x8. And then we can start with the middle. So I'm gonna get this part that I am building right now is the sign part that you're gonna need to show what your sign is all about. So we're about 90% done. But where's the other 10%? Into the last three things. So put your 1x2 by 1x6 here, and put your 2x2 here. Then get your little mascot, aka your minifigure, and put him on top of the sign. And ta-da! You've got your own little sign. That's all for this video. I hope you like, subscribe, and share to other people. I'll see you next time. Bye!